What's going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I'm working on an '07 Ford F-150. Customer's complaint, his overdrive light keeps flashing. He brought it to an auto parts store and they came up with a P0705, transmission range sensor. I'm gonna take a second and talk about an old video that I made. I'll put a link up top. It's about auto parts stores using that scanner tool just to sell you a part. 50 to 60% of the time, you probably don't even need that part. You think they're doing you a favor by pulling that code? They're not. Their only job is to sell parts. It's okay if you want to know what kind of code you got, but don't always buy that part. Do a little research first and look into what they're trying to sell you. Make sure it's what you definitely need. All right, let's get into the video. He replaced that sensor, light didn't go out. He took the part off, brought it back, got another sensor, thinking that the aftermarket part was defective. He put it on and it still didn't clear his code. So he brought the vehicle to me. I hooked my scanner up to it and confirmed it was a P0705. I've had about 3 trucks in the past 3 years come in with this same code, and let me show you what I found. If you look right up in here, this is your transmission dipstick, and these are the wires that run alongside the head, go over top of the transmission bracket, and to the transmission and the sensors. What's happening is this harness is so close to the head and the exhaust, it's putting off a lot of heat, and all the loom had come off it. And what happened was the wires started sticking together and shorting themselves out. So what I did was I went in there and I separated all the wires, made sure none of them were sticking, made sure there were no bare wires. See, like right here, here's a good example. These 2 wires are stuck together. That's because of the heat. And when 2 wires start sticking together, they cause each other to short out. So what you need to do is separate them. Just put your finger and separate them. Once I got all the wires separated, I'm gonna put wire loom back on it, and I'm gonna wire tie it up out of the way so it's not laying on the head or near the exhaust. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. Catch you later.